Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a unit through the Unit Inventory tool by using the Identify by Year, Make, Model Lookup tool. In the left navigation bar, you'll want to hover over the Products tab and then click on Inventory Manager. That will bring you to the Unit Inventory list, and at the top of the Unit Inventory list page, you want to click on the Add Unit Inventory button. And that will bring you to the Details tab. And here is where we have the Identify by Year, Make, Model Lookup tool. And how that works is you have to put in the year first, then the brand name, and then the model name if you have it. And as you're typing in the information, this drop-down palette will adjust. And if you can find the unit on the drop-down palette, you'll want to select it, and it starts populating the information down below. The Link To tool, that's what's going to link to the OEM overview, spec data, and stock image or stock images that we have on file. Not all of these fields are required, just the ones a little star asterisk next to it are required fields. So stock number and VIN are optional fields. Same with title, condition, color, trim color. New and used, even though it's not required to select something, I like to tell everyone to make sure to set whether it's a new or used unit. Usage unit, that's where you would select hours, miles, or kilometers. And then the usage value is where you would type in how many. Base price, you have a drop-down selector where you could select web price, type in the price you want to display. But you could also set it as call for price, make an offer. You could update it to pending or sold before you delete the units out. And if you put in a web price, that price will display on the website when you're actually looking at that unit. But we also have the best price field. If you put a price in the best price field, it will not display that price on the website when you're looking at that unit, but there would be a button to click on that says Get Best Price. And it pulls up a form where the end user would put in their name and email address and phone number, hit submit, then the system would automatically send them an email with what's in the best price field. There's also a description field where you could add any other details or information that you like. Perhaps maybe there's add-ons or accessories, and you can make note of that here in the description field. Once you're done with these details, you want to hit the Save button. If we scroll back up, there's some other tabs here that you can work with. There is a sale tab, so you can enable a sale. You can set your sale type. Set that as blowout. Then you would put in your sale price. You could also set a date range on that sale. So the sale price would only display on those dates, and then it would revert back to the base price automatically on the end date. If we go to specs and features, here's the preloaded data, OEM overview and spec data. We have the table information off to the right, description information on the left. You can edit this information by toggling to use customized specs and features. And there you have an edit button for the table or the description. When you click on the edit button, it'll pull up the editor window where you can click in and edit the information and make sure to save your changes when you're done. If we go to the Manage Images tab, it will load up any stock image or stock images. If you did not want the stock images to display for that unit, there's a delete button off to the right. If you want to add your own photos, you would click on Add Custom Images to bring up the file browser. And then once you're at the file browser, you'd be able to click on the Upload tab, click on Select Files, and then you would browse to the images on your computer. And you could select one or multiple images. If you hold down your control button, you can select multiple, hit Open. It's going to go through and upload the images. We know the images are done uploading because the status bars are green. It says 100%. If we go back to the Browse tab, we can see previews of those images. Click on Select All, choose Selected Images. So now we have a stock image in there and custom images. Let's say you made a mistake and added the wrong photos. Again, you can delete them out. If we go to the Manage Video tab, there's a field there, so if there's a YouTube video out there that you posted, you could take a link to that YouTube video, paste it into this field, and then people could play that video within your site when they're looking at that unit. And if we go to the Edit Visibility tab, you can add your units to the product groups that populate on the home page, and there will be another video that goes into that in more detail. Thank you for your time.